In a recent parliamentary workshop, a former public protector, Advocate Thulu Madonsela, raised significant doubts about the prosecution of former President Jacob Zuma in connection with the controversial arms deal, suggesting his role at the time rendered his prosecution puzzling. Madonsela's remarks came during a capacity building session on October 7 with the Portfolio Committee on Public Works and Infrastructure, where she was addressing ethical leadership and transparency in governance. The workshop aimed to equip members of parliament with the tools to hold leaders accountable and combat corruption. During the workshop, Madonsela faced pressing questions from committee members, including Vivian Reddy of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, who sought her opinion on President Cyril Ramaphosa's past corporate associations. Reddy highlighted Ramaphosa's pre-1994 acceptance of shares in prominent companies, a practice that had allegedly positioned influential ANC members in corporate roles before they rose to political power. Reddy questioned whether Ramaphosa's acceptance of these shares was ethical, given his eventual transition to public office. In response, Madonsela refrained from labeling Ramaphosa's past business relationships as unethical, clarifying that conflicts of interest arise only when individuals in position of power benefit directly from their office. Evaluating past financial arrangements under today's ethical standards, she said that it would be inappropriate. The discussion then shifted to the former President Jacob Zuma, who faces long-standing charges related to the arms deal. Reddy argued that Zuma's role at the time, a provincial official in KwaZulu-Natal, did not grant him direct influence over the tender process for the arms deal. The contract, signed in 1999, was backed by senior government officials, including the then President Nelson Mandela, Deputy President Thabo Mbeki, and ministers such as Joe Modise and Trevor Manuel. French company Thales won the bid in the multi-billion rand defense procurement. Thulu Madonsela admitted that she too found Zuma's prosecution perplexing given his minor role in the national government at the time, and said, "I have never understood why President Zuma was prosecuted for the arms deal. There are many issues where I disagree with him, such as state capture, but on the arms deal, he was a minor player and it really doesn't make sense." She further commented on the legal focuses on Zuma despite the absence of prosecutions for individuals directly involved in the transaction, and said the people involved in the actual transaction haven't been prosecuted, which makes it unusual that he was. But it's ultimately up to law enforcement to decide on that. Zuma is accused of accepting bribes from businessman Shabir Sheikh, who allegedly provided financial support to him since October 1995. Charges against President Zuma, including corruption, fraud, and money laundering, are linked to alleged kickbacks in the arms deal. After years of delays, his trial is scheduled to begin on April 14, 2025. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.